Natural hair is your heritage, but to see it without chemicals is real.
Hello beautiful, I will be sharing with you how to remove knots and tangle from natural hair.
My natural hair is super tangled right now, as you can see in this clip. It been over like 2 weeks since I removed knots or tangle from my hair. So the most important part on removing knots and tangle from natural hair is to always work in section and by also using the right tool. Yes, the right hair tools is going to help you break down that knot and tangle. So I am putting my hair into a medium size sections. Then I am going to show you on the other side how I remove knots and tangle from my natural hair. So in the other clips, I am just taking down my two-screen twist and also removing the knot. Alright, I did put some room temperature water into the spray bottle of camera because I am gonna be using only room temperature water and my favorite natural hair tool. Plus, I always like to start from the ends of my hair and work my way to the middle, then down to the root.
I know you're wondering, where did all of that hair go? Well, this is it. As I was saying, the proper way to remove knot and tangle is to always start from your ends. Like, let me show you here. My hair is braided. I'm starting from the ends.
After I am done loosening this hair, I'm going to gently detangle it, starting from my ends, work my way to the middle, then to the root. Then I will spray some more water if needed, if I feel like my hair is still dry. And guys, I will just lightly finger detangle first before going in with my favorite detangling brush. I know some of you guys are wondering why I am using only water and detangling brush to remove the knot and tangle from my hair. Well, as my natural hair grow longer, my routine usually changes. Don't worry, it happens like yearly and not like often. So if you want to know more details why I am only using water instead of product to remove the knot and tangle from my hair, just drop it down in the comment below a purple little heart, or if you don't feel like dropping it in the comment below, just wait until my new series come up. I don't know when, but I definitely going to do it because I've been planning on creating this series on Udemy. Yes guys, it's going to be a step-by-step guide to natural hair, beginner friendly. If you just starting your natural hair journey, or if you want to start your natural hair journey and you don't know what to do, that particular series is going to be surrounding that topic. I feel like been caring for my own natural hair over 15 years and I have that experience to share a series. Not just that, I am also a licensed natural hair braider. So all of that is going to be like into this series about all the stuff that I learned over the years being a natural hair specialist. And guys, I am just going to continue with this video. I am using the Y2 comb. If you haven't heard about the Y2 comb yet, then probably you are new at natural hair. The Y2 comb is one of the best detangling comb out there to remove knots and tangle from natural hair. So guys, as I said from the beginning part of this video, I usually like to put my hair in sections before detangling it. Sectioning is really important in your natural hair journey, not just detangling. Alright guys, I will put my hair in sections and spray a little bit of water all over to get my hair saturated, sometimes lightly saturated, not fully saturated with water. Yes, Then I will gently massage the water into my hair shaft. After that, then I will use my wide to comb. Yes, start from the very ends, work my way to the middle. Yes, then I go to the root. And after that, then I am going to twist up my hair or I will braid that particular section. Usually I like to braid it and sometimes I will twist it. The reason why I will twist out my hair or braid it after removing the knot because my hair is like easy to get tangled. So if I don't braid it or twist it and just leave it like that and go to bed or whatsoever thing I'm doing, it usually tangle back up. When I put it into a braid or twist, I can wash it into the braid